This is the SAP Developer News for April the 16th, 2026.
If you're in the Silicon Valley area in June and are interested in the intersection between AI and UX, then there's an event just for you. It's on the 11th of June at the SAP App House in Palo Alto, and it's an in-person event only. It's for developers, architects, and technical consultants, and it's all about the AI functionality being built into the SAP Fiori Elements framework. There's AI for business users and AI for application developers. The event page has an agenda for the day, which is currently tentative, but it gives us a good idea of the format and content. There's also a link on there for registration. Anyway, check it out. Link in the description.
We have an important update for SAP BTP ABAP environment users. We're offering a free pre-upgrade option for release 2605, giving customers and partners the chance to test their existing applications ahead of the standard upgrade, which is planned for May 16th and 17th. Now, some of the key milestones have already passed. Planned new features were announced on April 10th. System nominations closed on April 13th, and pre-upgraded systems are scheduled for upgrade on April 17th, which means teams already participating should now be focused on regression testing and validating their custom-built apps. Now, looking ahead, Hotfix Collection 2 is planned for April 30th, and any issues found during testing should be reported by May 1st using component BTP ABAP. Now, the goal is simple. Help make the upgrade a no event and avoid day one surprises. You can read more in the link below.
Fiori Elements-based UIs are great, but sometimes it's hard for us to grok how they can be controlled and configured, which is mostly through annotations, which are organized in vocabularies, expressed in metadata, which is usually in the form of XML. So any help is welcome, and in that context we wanted to point you to a great blog post by SAP community member Mio Yasutake, who takes time to explain these topics in great detail, how things fit together based upon samples and documentation for UI5 and in the context of CAP and RAP based services. There's lots of detail and it's well worth a read. Thanks, Mio. Also, if you want more detail to complement this, then we have the OData Deep Dive mission over on the Tutorial Navigator. And in there are specific tutorials on metadata, vocabularies, and annotations ready to go as well. Happy learning.
Hola, SAP developers. Two quick updates for Edge Integration Cell and Cloud Integration users. First, the local OData APIs for Edge Integration Cell just got better. You can now authenticate using client ID and client secret. More secure, easier to automate. Now, a quick reminder that there are many APIs in Edge Integration Cell that you can use. Monitoring APIs, for example, to track message processing, and management APIs for message stores, data stores, JMS brokers, and variables. These are perfect for building custom dashboards or for automating operations or integrating with your existing monitoring tools. Now, in cloud integration, we have AI-assisted error resolution. When your integration flow fails, you can now use AI to analyze the error, get root cause suggestions, and even get remediation steps. So it's like having like an integration buddy next to you, which can save time debugging and gets you back on track faster. So check the links in the description for full documentation on both features. Hasta luego.
Did you know that you can compare foundation models right in AI Launchpad? So just jump over to Generative AI Hub in your AI Launchpad and open the model library. And then here you can click on Leaderboard. And now you see all the models that we have available here. And over here you can see the different scores. So the Helm score, for example, tells you how well the model performed in a multiple choice exam across a variety of topics. The Chatbot Arena score tells you how well the model performed in a head-to-head against different AI models. And then the AirBench refusal rate and the AirBench discrimination bias refusal rate tells you how well the model is handling harmful or biased requests. And then all the way over here, you have the output and input token cost and the context window size. Now this really helps me to find the right model for my use case, depending on cost and context window size and performance overall. I honestly usually don't go to the leaderboard. I head directly to the chart because here you can very easily compare the models based on